Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the fastest and simplest way to create an AI-generated video from the online article. Let's get started.
First, search the article you wish to convert into a video and copying its link. Then, go to the elai.io website. You can use the link provided in the description below. If you don't have an elai account or don't know how to create one, you can watch my previous video about elai. You can also find in description. Now click on Generate from URL and paste the link. And choose your desired video template and wait for the video generation process to finish. Once your video template is complete, you can customize the template. You can change background, avatar style, text, and avatar voice. You can upload images and videos from your system also. Add animation. Also, you can add music to your video. You can add transition to your slides. When everything is set up and looks perfect to you, select the render button for rendering. It will take a few minutes to complete, and you can download your video. Here is the final video outcome.
Midjourney is an artificial intelligence art generation service that launched in mid-2022, and you have probably seen the images floating around the internet.
I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos. Thank you for watching.